do you want to know 3 easy ways to tie a scarf for warmth? Some nights, even when it's summer, it gets pretty chilly, so you better stay tuned. Well, hello and welcome. It's Heidi and we are going to talk about 3 easy ways to tie a scarf for warmth. We're going to do 2 around our neck and 1 on our head, and this comes from a viewer request. So thank you so much. Please be so kind. Hit that subscribe button and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see, and keep coming back. We are posting new content all the time, almost daily. Okay, so I'm in the United States, and right now it is summer. But we even have some cool summer nights, and if you're in the desert gets downright chilly at night in the summer. But there are parts of the world that they're in winter. So it's always a good time to learn how to tie a scarf for warmth. Okay, so I have a really great scarf here. My mother knitted this scarf, and so it's special, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is just take your 2 ends. This scarf is extra long, does not need to be. So just take it in the middle, hold it in the middle. You're going to make a loop, wrap it around your neck. I call this the classic. So around your neck, you take the 2 tails in one hand, bring both tails through the loop, and there you go. And that is the classic. This looks great alone. This looks great with your coat or a blazer. This is just the classic look for all the ladies and for the gents. This is for everybody, the classic. Okay, that was pretty easy, right? Okay, make a loop, right? And both tails just go through same time, boom. And then you can play with this a little bit. This works for any long scarf that you have, okay? All right, so that's the classic. I love that. I use it all the time. Okay, now let's just take a little variation of the classic. I call this the fancy classic. Okay, this is our second tie. Same thing, get your 2 ends, your 2 tails together, make a loop, the same loop. Okay, I have both tails here together in one hand. My hand is through the loop, but I'm going to let go of just 1 tail. I pull 1 tail through the loop, okay? Now, here's the tricky part. I put my hand through the loop, but I don't go up through it. I go down. So sort of turn the loop a little bit so your hand goes down through the loop. I grab the other tail and I bring the tail through the loop and over. And so this makes a very handsome variation of the classic. I call this fancy classic. You call it what you'd like to. Okay, I think that can look great. And then of course have a mirror and then really play with it a little bit. And this can just look great. You get tired of the classic, kick it up to the fancy, okay? All right, now we have 1 more, and this is for our head, because our viewer asked, what about putting one to sort of protect your head? And let's just say it's cold, so we're going to take it in the middle, put it over your head, over your ears, bring both tails together, cross them under your chin, and my scarf is very long. If your scarf is not, tie it behind to secure it behind your neck. If not, like mine is so long, I can bring it forward, I can leave the tails, or if it's really chilly and I really want this warmth, I could be on a sailboat or the back of a motorcycle or just snowshoeing, you don't know. So then I can even tie it, and then again, with a good mirror, you sort of play with it a little bit, and there you go. My head, my ears are protected, my neck is protected, and I'm snug as a bug. This is really warm. Okay, so I hope this helps. Please drop me a comment what you would like to see and we will do it. We will make the video and we'll put it in our queue and we will get to it. So thank you to our viewer for asking for this today. Hope this helps when you're tying your next scarf. Drop me a comment. Love to read it. All right? Thank you for watching. And as I always say, please be kind. Thank you.